English short dialogues improve your speaking and listening skills. How are you?
I am fine.
What is your family name?
My family name is Williams.
Can you come for lunch today?
No, I am busy today.
How are you this evening?
I am a little bit tired.
I need you very much.
I am here to stay.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Which department do you work?
I work in the sales department.
I would like to speak with Mr. Smith.
Mr. Smith is busy on another call.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I could use glass of water.
He is very angry with you.
Yes, because I beat him in chess.
What is the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is New York.
What time shall we leave?
Almost in about 10 minutes.
Let's take a break.
We will work on the job later.
How much is it?
It's $20.
I am afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.
It's bitterly cold.
Here is a scarf to keep you warm.
Where would you like to go?
To the beach, please.
What's your friend's name?
His name is Steve Smith.
Who told you this?
Mr. Smith told me this.
What month is this?
This is December.
It seems warm outside.
We can go to the park today.
Is this the form you are looking for?
That's right.
My little sister can speak English.
She is very smart.
Will you stay here for long?
No, I will move in next month.
Don't you think we should break up?
Is that what you really want?
What did he say?
He said he is from Mexico.
Would you open the door for me, please?
With pleasure.
With pleasure. You are so considerate. Everyone deserves a kind treatment. What are you doing next week? I am thinking of going to my grandma's. He always talks big. I hope he follows through. I think the bigger one is better. Thank you for your suggestion. Do you think she likes black? I don't know. What time do you start work? I start work at 8 o'clock. Do you think this job is suitable for you? My job allows me to be creative. Do you have a minute? No, I have to go. Is she Canadian? No, she is American. Could I borrow your car? Sure, as long as you take care of it. The milk tastes sour. Yes, because it is old. How long have you been studying Chinese? More than 2 years. What did he say in the letter? He said he had recently changed a new job. She has a passive character. She is so boring. You look tired. Is everything okay? Yeah, everything is fine. What do you usually do for exercise? Swimming and running. Are you busy right now? Yes, right now isn't a good time. Do you often have dreams? Some nights I have a very vivid dreams. He will this be? That will be just fine. Where does it hurts? Here it hurts too much. Where are you going? I am going to the supermarket. What are you making for dinner? I usually eat out. What's your address? 42 Lincoln Street. How is the weather? It's very cold outside. How long have you been married? We have been married for 5 years. Which is your best subject? I am best at an English. What did you major in at college? I majored in economics. Aren't they students? I really don't know. What are you doing tomorrow? I have no idea. This problem is difficult to solve. Do you have any question? How wide is this bridge? It's 30 meters. What kind of sports do you like? I like to play soccer and tennis. It's warm today. I can finally wear my new crop top. Are you ready to order? Yes, I will have the roast chicken. Where do you live? I live 2 blocks from here. Have you seen the doctor? Not yet. Would you please open the door for me? Yes, certainly. How are you doing these days? Not bad, same as usual. drive faster. No, it's against the law. When do you play tennis? I play tennis every Sunday evening. I have to go now. Bye. See you soon. Do you know what time is it? Yes, it's 3:30 p.m. What's your motherland? I was born in Canada and brought up in America. Your aunt looks young. Yes, she is 30 years old. What terrible weather. You can borrow my umbrella. Do you think he hates me? Oh, he is introverted. Are you free this afternoon? Yes, let's meet at the library. Choose between these two. I like the one on the right. Who broke this window? Your neighbors broke the window. Her English is quite good. Yes, she speaks better than to me. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. You too. I would like to see the doctor soon. What can you for and come for an appointment? What is she doing? She is doing her homework. I wonder if she will marry him. He is a great man. What's the matter? I think I dropped my keys. Do you need a doctor? Yes, I think so. May I open the window? Sure. I'm typing to lose some weight. I think that's good idea. Where did John go? He went to the store. This box is almost empty. Go to the store to get more. Thank you for today. You are welcome. Come again. What does your father do? He is a doctor. He has his own practice. What do you want to do on vacation? I would like to go fishing if possible. Where do you want to visit most? I want to visit the most is Paris. What did you have for dinner? I had a burger and fried chicken. Where is the closest ATM? It's right next to the church. You should follow your doctor's advice. My doctor is always right. What university do you go to? Oxford University. How did you like the song? The melody is great. How old is your grandmother? My grandma is 90 years old. Were you with anyone? No, I was alone. Were you with anyone? Have you fed the cat? Yes, I gave him some milk. Is it close to the subway station? Yes, it's very close. Thank you for watching and keep subscribe for new videos.